Hello to all subscribers, crypto enthusiasts, and investors. My name is Sheila Bennett, and I'm happy to see you all on my channel, where I talk about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video to the end, as in the next few minutes, I will tell you each how you can participate in the new airdrop and be guaranteed $500 each airdrop has just started. So there is still an opportunity to take part and make money, but I will tell you right away that this freebie will not last long as the total amount is limited.
And now let's move on to the airdrop itself. It is conducted by the developers of Push Protocol project. Airdrop is a part of marketing strategy to promote Push token among population in order to increase the number of holders and interest in the project. Airdrop is held in the famous TrustPad platform. It is a multi-chain, one of the top 5 of the largest launch pads. So, let's take part in airdrop while there's an opportunity in guaranteed ways to earn PUS tokens. Organizers of the drawing have considered that there will be a lot of people. So, they limited the maximum amount of tokens you can get. The limit is $500 in PUS tokens. Also we see that airdrop amount is limited. 40 million tokens is allocated and already 92% distributed. Which means we need to hurry. The rules of participation in airdrop are very simple. We need to have a wallet on MetaMask or Trust Wallet to HET the precious $500. I have a MetaMask add-on for example. Click Claim Airdrop and connect your wallet to the platform. After connecting your wallet to the platform immediately, you will see a pop-up about a small fee for the transaction that you need to pay. After that, the only thing left is to wait for the PUS tokens to come to our wallet. So, friends, I did it. It took about 5 minutes and PUS tokens appeared on my wallet. I got tokens, which is roughly equivalent to $500. I earned $500 basically in a matter of minutes. This is unbelievable. I can say with certainty that the developers have achieved their goal, as I'm already thinking about holding this token, because I believe that this project has a great future. Besides that, I've already taken interest in following the project.
I think that now we can wrap up. If you are interested in participating in airdrop, then I've shown you how easy it is. I hope you watch this video before airdrop is over. Hurry over to the airdrop website by following the link in the description and then write a comment, join, and get a very nice bonus. So that's all for now. Thanks for staying on my channel. I will try and find as many ways to make money on cryptocurrency as I can. And I will definitely share them all with you. Have a nice day.